So what makes Yoga Nidra so special? Well, the answer lies in your brain. Yoga Nidra guides you from beta waves, where we spend most of our time alert but stressed, to alpha waves, and these promote relaxation and self-awareness. And then finally to theta waves. These are the gateway to our subconscious mind. And when you enter the theta wave state in Yoga Nidra, it can be like opening the door to a quiet room in your mind. In this stillness, you can rearrange the clutter of negative thoughts and intentionally decorate the space with positive thoughts and manifestations of ideas for growth. And when we look at the power of Yoga Nidra, there's three powerful ways that it transforms the mind. Your subconscious mind is where habits, beliefs, and automatic thoughts live. When negative thoughts dominate, it's due to patterns that are deeply ingrained in the brain. And here's how Yoga Nidra rewires those patterns. Firstly, Yoga Nidra releases stress by calming your nervous system. It lowers cortisol levels and creates the mental space that's needed for new positive thoughts. Because we can't create when we're in fight and flight mode. And that's a fact. Yoga Nidra can reprogram beliefs by guiding you into a deep, relaxed state. This is where your subconscious becomes receptive to affirmations and visualizations. It's like hitting refresh on your mental software. And Yoga Nidra strengthens focus by activating alpha waves and stimulating the prefrontal cortex. This is the brain's hub for creativity and problem solving. And it isn't just about drawing or artistic expression. It's about finding innovative solutions and taking intentional control over your thoughts. And the reason it's so effective is that it taps into neuroplasticity, your amazing brain's ability to rewire itself by combining relaxation, visualization, and affirmations. This helps your brain default to positive thoughts, release old limiting beliefs, and build new pathways that align with your visions, values, and dreams. Over time, Yoga Nidra shifts you from survival mode, fight and flight, to a state of thriving by allowing you to spend more of your waking hours in the parasympathetic nervous system. And this leads to greater emotional balance. It's not just about thinking positively. It actually rewires your brain for change. And here's the best part of it. You don't have to force it, and you don't need any special skills. You just lie down and press play. And even if you drift into delta waves and fall asleep, your subconscious is still doing the work.